Hi everyone, I'm Sana and welcome back to the Sublime Life YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about another one of our favorites and bestsellers from the brand MartiDerm, which is the Photo-Age HA+ Ampoules. These have been loved by everyone. Potent, powerful and a brightening powerhouse. Here's everything you need to know about it. First and foremost, let's talk about the ingredients. Now MartiDerm recently reformulated and launched the Photo-Age HA Ampoules, which are even better now. To begin with, they have 15% of vitamin C in an ampoule format. What does this mean? While regular vitamin C serums may have similar percentage of vitamin C's, but they definitely tend to oxidize with exposure to light and air over time. Whereas, since these are in ampoule format which can be used max 3 to 4 times, it ensures that the effectiveness of the vitamin C stays intact and you can reap all the benefits out of it. Now, this vitamin C formulation helps to neutralize free radicals that are damaging your skin from within and causing it to age. It also protects from external stressors and, of course, brightens from within. Next, it has the best plumping ingredient, hyaluronic acid, a humectant as we all know it, which helps to bind water and retain moisture, which makes your skin feel lubricated, moist and super hydrated. It has great anti-aging property too, since it reduces dullness, loss of elasticity and reduces fine lines and wrinkles which are natural over time. Since it has low weight of vitamin C, it penetrates deeper into your skin and makes your skin look even more better and plump. Moving on, it has 3% Proteome 89 or 𝗣𝗿𝗂𝗰𝗂𝗰𝗂 which is exclusive to MartiDerm, which is an essential component to build your cells and provide hydration. Moreover, when this ingredient is combined with ingredients like collagen and hyaluronic acid, it gives you the smoothest skin texture ever. Now let's talk about who are they suitable for. They're suitable for all skin types. Yes, you heard it right, they're suitable for all skin types. Except they're not beginner friendly. Since they contain 15% vitamin C, this is something that you should not start with. If you haven't used the original range of 5% vitamin C or 10% vitamin C of MartiDerm ampoules, then you should definitely start with those and then move your way up to the Photo-Age ampoules. Now let's talk about how to use them and how often to use them. You can use them every day. Yes, use them every day in your PM routine. You can use one ampoule for 3 to 4 max uses. Use it on a well cleansed and toned face and definitely follow up with a moisturizer. And in the next morning, please do not forget your SPF for the complete protection. So I hope this video helped. These ampoules come in a pack of 5, 10 and 30 and they're exclusively available on Sublime Life. Now, if you have any further questions, please feel free to drop them down in the comments box below and our experts will answer them. Also, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.